Hello and welcome to my layout for my N-scale Pennsylvania. I don't have anything named, but it's basically a fictional area someplace in Pennsylvania. I have a cold, so please, I do apologize. So sorry for the coughs. I'm doing some updates and some additions, as you can see. So part of it is tore out right now, and basically I'm going to have 4. These are 2 and then another 2 rails going through, so I have a double main line that I can hook up into this later on. So I'm doing it for expansion purposes. This is all done by Woodland Scenics, and this is a kit that you can get, and you can do some pretty neat stuff with it. The kit just has the one line, so I added this part here, this part, and that's all my doing. So it does give you a little bit of fudge room if you want to expand. The only problem with it is that it makes it a little bit more difficult once everything is done. I had this thing up and running, and it was running great. It really was. I enjoyed it. It was fun to build, and it didn't take very long either. I still got a lot of work to do on it, but what I want to do first is to get the tracks operating before I do any more scenicking. So that's why it's kind of looking like it is right now. But hopefully I can get all the mountains done with foliage, and do some really cool stuff. The rock faces, that's plaster, and then this is also plaster, but I did that myself. I hand carved all of that to make it look like it was blasted out. So anyways, this is the update. I'm still working on this, and this is my control area. It is all analog. I don't have any DCC yet, but I'm going to. So that's basically how that looks. It's not powered up right now, for obvious reasons, because I'm still working on it. This is done on a dining room table, actually, an old dining room table we had. And I converted it into a train table. One of the things I'm going to do, since this is really low, is I'm going to raise the table up so it's at about this level, just about chin level for me. And that brings it up high, so we're not bending over or kneeling down. I mean, to operate this, it's cool. You can sit down and operate it. And you can get this view, but I'm probably going to be standing most of the time while I'm operating the trains. So that gives you a brief overview. Again, you can get this kit at woodlandscenics.com. If you have any questions, let me know. Just hit me up in the comments. Talk to you later.